sweet and sour pineapple pork.
That looks good. How does it taste?
Damn good!
Guys, if you want to taste that damn good recipe right there, stay tuned with us. Make sure you're subscribed to our channel, like it, tell a friend to come join you, watch it, okay? And we're going to show you how to make this sweet and sour pineapple pork. We're jumping right in today's menu, all right? Sweet and sour pineapple pork.
Woo!
Gonna go down, guys. About to show you all the ingredients you need to make it. Pay attention.
Tell them to subscribe, like, and comment.
Well, you did, so I don't have to. Guys, so today, of course, to make your pork, you're gonna need pork, right? Of course.
Yeah, you gotta get your pork.
We have our pork. You're gonna need some salt, some black pepper, some garlic powder, some onion powder, our favorite. We have some soy sauce, some cornstarch. You have some vinegar. You have tomato ketchup. You have some pineapple chunk over here. You have some brown sugar. And guys, you're gonna need flour too. Got to put that up here, but you're gonna need flour, guys. So watch what we're about to do with all this ingredients.
All right, chefs and chefettes. I hope you guys hit that like and subscribe button because I'm showing you the next step to make this sweet and sour pineapple pork. So what we did so far is we cut up our pork into fine cubes. We seasoned it with our salt, our pepper, our onion, and garlic. That's it. Now we're going to fry the pork. So what we're going to do is we're going to dip the pork in our egg wash. I'm just going to put a few pieces in there. Get it nice and good, coated in that egg. Then you're gonna throw it in your flour. Guys, you can put a little seasoning in your flour, a little salt, a little pepper. If you like it spicy, throw a little cayenne pepper, Cajun seasoning, even paprika. So that's what we're doing now. We're gonna fry our pork. Egg wash to the flour, to the frying pan. You guys see that?
We see it.
Egg wash to the flour, to the frying pan. Come on, egg wash to the flour, to the frying pan. Ooh. Egg wash to the flour, to the frying pan. So guys, I'm gonna do this to all the pieces. And once this is all done and frying, I'm gonna show you what we're gonna do next.
Guys, thank you for staying with us, staying subscribed. Make sure to like and tell a friend to subscribe to our channel and watch it, all right? Guys, I'm about to show you how to make this sauce for our sweet and sour pineapple pork.
Oh yeah.
Super simple.
Yeah, we fried that pork up.
We did. We have here a wok, guys. If you don't have a wok, you could cook it in a regular frying pan or a pot. Wherever you can make a sauce is perfectly fine. Guys, boom. Jumping right into it, and I'm gonna be quick, so pay attention.
Please be quick.
You hungry?
No, because you always take forever. So what we did?
Guys, so we made the pork, we fried it, we bread it, and we took it out. It's right here. We even got some crumbs in here. We saved some crumbs just to give it that extra flavor. Look at that. Look how delicious that looks. All right? Saving that for last. So we have our pineapple. We're going to save that. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to take our brown sugar. All right? We're going to throw this bad boy in here. We have 1 cup of brown sugar. If you have regular brown sugar, if you have light brown sugar, perfectly fine. We have 1/2 cup of vinegar. Can you hear that? It's sizzling a little bit. Let's put this up just a little.
Yeah, buddy.
Right? Let's mix this around just a little bit because it's not too hot.
Okay.
I'm gonna mix all this ingredients together. Oh my God. All right, so here we have 1/4 cup of ketchup. Guys, This is optional. If you want, you can add a couple of drops of red food coloring to give it that extra rich, dark color. If not, ketchup is gonna do just fine. It will give it that color that it needs. Quarter cup, guys.
Okay,
Look
we see it bubbling.
See that?
Hurry, you squint. It's bubbling.
Ketchup. Mmm.
Yeah, buddy.
All right.
Sweet and sour pineapple pork.
Oh yeah.
Oh, look at that. Let me.
See that?
I'm gonna come closer.
And make sure you continue to stir it up. We have 2 tablespoons here of water, guys. We're gonna throw in there. This is gonna help dilute the vinegar, all right, and break it up so you don't have too much of a powerful taste, but you still get that kick. All right, let's throw that bad boy in.
Can I kick you?
No, I will kick you back into
Oh, hee haw. Only donkeys does kick you though.
Oh my gosh. All right. So
Hee haw.
you got 1 tablespoon of soy sauce.
Kick.
And 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, guys. He kicked me.
Yes, I did.
Yo, if I haven't told you today, you get on my nerves.
I definitely did kick her.
You get on my nerves.
You want next? You want next kick?
You can't just cook.
Hold on.
I will slap you with a spatula.
Okay. Oh.
I will. Don't do it.
Hey, I will major hype on you.
Don't do it. All right, guys.
You know his wife said he be beating her.
Don't.
Yeah,
Listen.
you be beating me.
I don't. Never. You have no proof. Guys,
I have proof. I will drop the tape.
Don't do it. Guys, we're going to mix this around a little bit right before we add this pineapple. All right? And break up this cornstarch just a little bit. Let me bring this up. Can y'all see that?
Yeah, you told us you was going to be quick though.
I am quick.
Oh, okay. 4 minutes later?
Don't be timing me.
I'm not timing you.
My time is precious.
I'm not timing you.
Good. Guys, and this is optional. You don't have to throw the chunks in there, the pineapple chunks, if you don't want to, but it gives it an extra flavor. Let's do that.
Pineapples and pineapple juice, ladies and gentlemen.
Yes.
That's going to
And that was 1 cup. All right?
Pineapples and pineapple juice. So what's next?
After this, we're going to let this thicken up, and we're going to throw all our delicious pork right in that bag.
Hey guys, I hope y'all hit that like, comment, and subscribe button already, because the sweet and sour homemade sauce is done. We told you how to make that. Look at this. Come look. Come get a quick look. With the pineapples and the pineapple juice, it's done. So now what we're going to do here, all right, cameraman, back on me.
Oh, sorry.
Back on this
Sorry.
beautiful, handsome chef.
Oh.
So the sauce is done. Now we're gonna take our fried pork chop, not pork chop, but our fried pork pieces, and we're gonna add it to our sweet and sour sauce. Can you see me?
I can see you.
Pour that right into the sweet and sour sauce, that homemade. This ain't that store-bought sweet and sour sauce. You can use that if you don't have time, you don't wanna make a homemade sweet and sour sauce, you can do that. But we're adding our pork in our fresh homemade sweet and sour sauce. And now we're gonna mix this around, guys. Zoom in, camera one. Zoom in. We're gonna mix it around. Make sure you coat everything. You guys see this?
That looks really good.
This sweet and sour pineapple sauce.
It smells amazing.
All right, back on me. All
right, just now. Let me just.
Back on my. You know what?
Ooh, you look vexed. You alright?
Vex?
Yeah, you look vexed.
I'm mad.
Oh.
You gotta show my face.
You's a bad man.
No.
You's a mad man.
No. Show my face. Guys, so I'm gonna coat all these beautiful pork pieces in our homemade sweet and sour sauce. And that is it. We're gonna plate this on a nice bed of rice. And I'm gonna show you what it's looking like.